Hey Menaces, welcome back to this video vlog number 1. Here I am. I was just playing some Minecraft, chilling down, unloaded the dishwasher, and watched the Danny Gonzalez finds. Basically, we're supposed to do something outside, so think of something nice to do. Working on a song in here. Just gotta play the song. Okay. Well, it says in the middle of the song. Well, let's play it anyways. It's basically work down there. Feel done nothing. You didn't see I'm gonna post a house tour today, but just in case you want to see at the back door, there's yeah. Basically, I'm just vlogging my life. It's not very interesting. There's my cat. I accidentally did this. By accident, I don't know how to solve it, so put that in there. Really nothing going on. I just decided to record a video. Well, basically, nothing's going on. So let's cute kid. You can't fit. His face. Today we are doing. That's basically it, and then let's I don't know. Do a cat video. Well, that's it for the video, guys. This was not much of a vlog. I just showed you what's basically going on, and I'll post my house tour from yesterday, and I'll basically just, house tour. Well, guess what? That's it for the video, guys, and in the meantime, Pike!